In this video, I will do a quick demo of all the features inside the Web Analytics Tiger web app. So first, when you log into the app for the first time, you will come across this dashboard area, which will obviously be empty. So you need to go to the websites tab right down below here and add your own website. So when you click on add website, you can choose a name and you can enter your own website URL. And if you want all the features, you click advanced and on the buttons here and click submit, and then you can easily get the tracking code here. So you can copy this and paste it on the head section of your website. It's pretty self-explanatory and is available in any website builder platform. In ClickFunnels, for example, you have a head tracking code and where you can paste that code. Now, once your website is added and Pixel installed, now you can avail all the features inside the app. So I will go from top to bottom. First, on dashboard, you can see every single thing on your website, what the visitors are, where they are coming from, which browsers they are using, and what are the screen resolutions and so on. And obviously, you can pick what website you want. If you have multiple websites added, you can select the particular website that you want to see the information for, and you can choose the dates and filter down where you can get a very granular with that. For example, if you want to see only the visitors that came from Google, you can do that very easily as well. And obviously you can export data to your Excel file and so on. Now next is the goals. You can track any action taken on your website. So this feature is very important if you are buying any sort of traffic or solo ads or paid advertising from Google, Facebook, etc. Because you can see what are the so you can see basically you can see I have created this leads capture, and anyone uh, who arrives on the upsell page, I know that that's the lead that is captured. So you can accurately track all the leads. You can see how many leads you got, how many purchases you got, and of course you have multiple other custom events as well. So you can track button clicks and form submissions and so on. And next is the real time. If you have any, you can check how many visitors are on your website currently. You if you have one, you will see the graph here and you will see all the information of that here. And here you can see every single visitor that arrived on your website. This is a very important feature, the heat map. Once you create a heat map, you will have to create a new heat map for every web page that you want to track heat maps for. So for example, when I created this on this web page, let's see what it looks on that page. And I can see that I got 121 clicks in my time frame that I chose above, and clearly see where the visitors are clicking and where they are not. So I can see that most people are not arriving on the lower part of the page. So I know that if I want to increase my conversions, I need to make the lower part of the copy more enticing, so I could enhance the conversion rate and get more leads and sales. Now, if I come to the replace tab, you can see every single detail of the website, what they did by clicking on the replay session. And let's see what this visitor did on my website. Let's fast track that on 8x. I can see that the visitor came and clicked the pre-download button. So they are now getting redirected to another website, to varrierplus.com, to check out. And once they are finished with that, they will get automatically redirected to the upsell page, and the app automatically tracks that. So let's see. Now you can see they arrived on the upsell page, and they will just see where they are clicking and what they are doing. So that's the main thing. You can exactly see what the visitor is doing on your website and on your web pages, where they're actually clicking and what they are doing. And if you come down below, obviously you click you add any website from here, and under teams you can add a team member if you are working on a team and you want to give specific roles to for website to another team member. This is a professional feature that will be available on the first upgrade. So that's the quick rundown of all the features. I will see you with more training in the members area.